Everything that you need to know about yoga for thyroid. When there is more growth in the thyroid tissue, or if the thyroid gland doesn't function normally, you could have thyroid. Even low amounts of iodine in the body can be cause for thyroid problems. Some experts also claim that thyroid cysts and inflammation and thyroiditis can lead to thyroid issues in the body. Symptoms of thyroid. You gain weight all of a sudden or lose it all of a sudden. You feel depressed, anxious and restless. There is a swelling in the neck. You could have constipation regularly. Skin turns scaly and dry. Heart palpitations are common. Suffer from body aches, low energy and often quite irate. Irregular period. Memory loss now and then too. Here's your chance to know more about yoga for thyroid, but before that, we would like to talk a little about the types of thyroid disorders. Hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism. Disclaimer: this is a post on yoga for thyroid, which is for informational purposes only. Please check with your doctor about the thyroid disorder type you or your loved one suffers from, and follow the doctor's advice, which takes precedence over what is written here and elsewhere around the World Wide Web. If you have hypothyroidism, in most cases you would feel lethargy, low, disinterested in daily work and affairs, more than just laid attitude, and more fatigue sets in, and you would suffer from constipation now and then. A sudden weight gain happens and you really don't know why. Your face is getting puffier than what it used to be. You may suffer from irregular menses cycles too. Can yoga for thyroid help here? Most yogic experts believe it can, and here are a couple of thyroid treatment by yoga or poses to use. For women who suffer from hyperthyroidism, yogic experts say women that either overeat or undereat are prone to hyperthyroidism. Apart from that, one would find it very tough to snooze at night, sweat too much than the usual amount, and get easily irate at the smallest of things too. Some with such conditions would be nervous and very anxious all the time. There are ways to combat the same, and some of the asanas or yoga to cure thyroid, and thyroid yoga poses to use under supervision are. In addition to this, the concept of using yoga mudra for thyroid isn't new to the new age. For decades the same holistic exercise has been used to combat many illnesses and diseases, including thyroid. Apart from the same, practicing deep breathing and meditation are a must every day. Helps with strengthening the mind to defeat the disease and also increases willpower too. There are many meditational techniques that can be used to cure thyroid too. Speak to an expert. Some of them would be the famous Panchakosha, Hari Om meditations, and even with Ramdev Baba yoga for thyroid too. Now that you know how to cure thyroid by yoga, please check the below tips to prevent thyroid issues altogether. What should your diet be like? Plenty of high-fiber foods, less of carbs and fats, more of leafy greens and veggies, seasonal fruits too. A cup of ginger tea twice a day is a must. Consume iodine-rich foods such as eggs, meat, fish, curd, etc. Early morning sunbathing for 10 minutes. Foods to avoid: cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli. Fats in meats, milk and milk produce fast food, junk food and spicy foods, grapes and mangoes and bananas, to name a few.